magagawa. Wag na kailangan. Ito'y darating sa'yo at hinarap na siya. Ang panuhat tulad sa ulan. Ang masama magmamahal ang magagawa. Wag na may darating sa'yo. Para papa, bububadabu, bubba. Ito, bang. Why do you only call me pangit? No? You only call me pangit? Why? You want me to call you guapo?
Yeah, from now on, I will call you Papa. Hey, bakit? Okay? Want that one? Ayaw niya.
Ayaw niya nga yan. Uwiyak nga yan pag pangit na talaga.
DJ.
He knows na wala yung
Wow, DJ. DJ nga ulit, DJ song. DJ song.
Looking at the sun, looking at the moon, it feels like I look into your eyes and realize it's true. The feeling's there, stop stay around, girl. Let it happen. The whole thing. H-E-A-R-T, why owe you? Believe me, baby. H-E-A-R-T, why owe you? Hurt you? Don't look no further. I got you. Whoa, I got you. I got
Ganda ba?
Guwapo yun.
Amazing voice. So guwapo, no?
Tapos may pagod na ako. Hanggang sa tayo'y
You know what? James, our ex-housemate, he always, impersonate you. Hanggang sa tayo'y magkabo. Parang, hit lang niya.
He does that?
Yeah. Totally.
Wow.
Dining room! Here,
Oh my
here.
God.
Dito. Dining.
Dining room.
Grabe naman.
Pag-zoom ba talaga, ganyan.